It's actually 5 chords, but you really only need 4 chords. There's G, C, E minor, D, or D suspended, or you could do D. Either one works. So D suspended or D, either one works. So remember, G, C, E minor, D, or D suspended. Either one works. This is how I play my G's. You could do that G or that G, whichever one fits you better. It's the same chords. And I do this C. You can use this C if you want, but it's the same thing. But I'm going to use these chords. And this song also has a E minor, but you can also use a D for that, but I'll show you guys when we get there. This song, the beginning is sort of weird for beginning guitars, because it sort of have a pause to it. Let's go through the whole song. As so it goes and then E minor, C, D, G, back to G, then go back to G, E minor, C, C, G. This word is the B minor. Only shall Yexus on that part where you could cheat, just go well. E minor, E minor. That's the verse. So let's go over it again from the top. Go. E minor. C, D, D, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ganyo the G, no, Ju, Benyo, G, Heyo to Caw Vaaj Yexus, D, G, Vaajntxwv E minor, only just C, Vaajntxwv G, C. Sorry. So that's the verse. Sorry, I'm sort of sick today, so bear with me. And then the chorus, it's pretty easy too. I think it's the same thing over and over. It goes G, D, txhis, G, txhwv, then G, D, then G, txhis, minor, D, caug, G, G, back at G. 우정샤 하여투 가시 백거 거지 일레. So going back to the chorus, we go through it one more time. Oh my gosh, I'm lost. Sorry. Okay, sorry. G, minor, D, second verse, I think it's pretty much like the other one. That's a little bit different. The first verse and the second verse sound the same in this song. So it goes. Wait. Okay, sorry. D minor, C, D, G. C, nkauj, E minor, caug, D, Vaajntxwv Yexus. So here comes the fun part. Go down. La 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 la. It's supposed to be a D7, but you can stay at D. Then it goes back, same chords. La 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 la. So that part, I think that's the coolest part in the whole song. And then the last part of the song, it just goes. E minor, D, and then we like to do it that part over, or repeat that part, should I say? G, so that's the chords of the song.